Crimeline F 2801 vinyl window tilt latch with lock, white, 2-pack. Spring-loaded tilt latch. Constructed of vinyl housing and latch with steel spring. Steel spring comes in a corrosion-resistant, zinc-plated finish and the vinyl components come white in color. Designed for use with vertical sliding single-hung and double-hung windows. Features 2-5/16" mounting hole centers. Easy to install with only a few simple tools. Mounting hardware included. This tilt latch is constructed from white plastic. It features an easy-to-install spring-loaded design. This style tilt latch is used by several window manufacturers. Top reviews from the United States. Works for rental apartments. Asked landlord to fix but it takes too long them to fix simple things. Got from Amazon and delivered next day. 2 screws fit perfectly.